Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence ethics. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, questions about its moral implications are more pressing than ever. In this video, we'll explore the dilemmas, challenges, and opportunities that arise when machines make decisions that impact people and society. From the dawn of AI dilemmas to the future of coexistence, join us as we navigate the complex landscape of AI ethics and what it means for humanity. Let's begin at the dawn of AI dilemmas. As artificial intelligence systems become more autonomous, they are increasingly faced with decisions that have no clear right or wrong answer. These so-called no-win scenarios force us to consider what it really means for an AI to make a bad decision. Is it a technical failure or a reflection of the values programmed into the system? These questions set the stage for the ethical challenges we face today. When we talk about a bad decision made by AI, we're often referring to outcomes that harm people or violate ethical norms. But who decides what's bad? Is it the developer, the user, or society at large? These questions highlight the complexity of assigning moral responsibility to machines. As we'll see, real-world cases often present situations where every available choice has significant drawbacks. Consider autonomous vehicles faced with split-second decisions in traffic accidents. Sometimes there's no perfect solution, only choices that minimize harm. These real-world cases force us to confront the uncomfortable reality that AI, like humans, must sometimes choose between equally undesirable outcomes. How we program these choices reflects our collective values and priorities. AI's ethical impact isn't limited to robots or self-driving cars. Algorithms already influence everything from job applications to loan approvals and even the news we see online. These systems can reinforce existing biases or create new forms of discrimination, often without us realizing it. The ethical stakes are high, as these decisions affect real people in profound ways. One of the biggest challenges in AI ethics is the so-called algorithmic black box. Many advanced AI systems make decisions in ways that are difficult, if not impossible, for humans to understand. This lack of transparency raises serious concerns about accountability and trust. If we can't explain how an AI reached its conclusion, how can we ensure it's acting ethically? AI systems learn from data, and if that data contains human prejudices, the AI can inherit and even amplify those biases. This is a major ethical concern, as it can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Understanding and addressing bias in AI is crucial for building systems that are just and equitable for everyone. Transparency in AI means being able to explain how and why a system made a particular decision. Unfortunately, many AI models are so complex that even their creators struggle to interpret their inner workings. This opacity can erode public trust and make it difficult to hold anyone accountable when things go wrong. When an AI system causes harm, it's often unclear who should be held responsible. Is it the developer who wrote the code, the company that deployed the system, or the user who relied on its output? These accountability gaps are a major ethical challenge, especially as AI becomes more autonomous and influential. AI doesn't just make decisions, it reflects the values, biases, and priorities of the people who create and use it. In many ways, AI acts as a mirror, showing us both the best and worst aspects of humanity. This realization challenges us to think critically about the kind of future we want to build with these powerful technologies. One of the most talked about impacts of AI is its effect on jobs. While some fear widespread job displacement, others see new opportunities emerging in fields that didn't exist before. The ethical challenge lies in ensuring that the transition is fair and that workers are supported as the nature of work evolves. With AI-powered surveillance becoming more common, privacy concerns are at an all-time high. From facial recognition in public spaces to data collection on personal devices, AI is reshaping what privacy means in the digital age. Balancing security and individual rights is a key ethical issue we must address. AI systems are increasingly making decisions for us, from what we watch to how we navigate our cities. While this can be convenient, it also raises concerns about autonomy and free will. Are we becoming too reliant on machines to make choices on our behalf? This is a profound ethical question that deserves careful consideration. Around the world, governments, organizations, and experts are coming together to draft ethical guidelines for AI. These global initiatives aim to set standards that protect human rights and promote responsible innovation. International cooperation is essential, as AI technologies cross borders and affect people everywhere. Regulations play a crucial role in shaping the ethical development and deployment of AI. By setting clear rules and standards, governments can help ensure that AI systems are safe, fair, and accountable. However, creating effective regulations is challenging as technology evolves rapidly and ethical questions are often complex. AI doesn't recognize national borders, making international cooperation essential for addressing ethical challenges. Countries must work together to share best practices, harmonize regulations, and prevent harmful uses of AI. Only through collaboration can we create a global framework that supports ethical innovation. Ethical considerations should be built into AI systems from the very beginning. This means designing algorithms that prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability. By embedding ethical values into the design process, we can create AI that serves the common good and avoids unintended harm. Building ethical AI isn't just about fixing problems after they arise, it's about considering ethics from the very start. This proactive approach helps prevent issues like bias and discrimination before they become embedded in the system. It's a mindset that values foresight and responsibility. Responsible innovation means developing AI technologies that benefit society while minimizing risks. This involves engaging diverse stakeholders, considering long-term impacts, and being transparent about potential downsides. By empowering responsible innovation, we can build public trust and ensure AI serves everyone. For AI to reach its full potential, the public must trust that these systems are safe, fair, and aligned with human values. Building trust requires transparency, accountability, and ongoing dialogue between developers, users, and regulators. Trust is the foundation of ethical AI adoption. AI technology is constantly evolving, and so are the ethical questions it raises. Staying adaptable means being willing to update guidelines, learn from mistakes, and remain open to new perspectives. The conversation about AI ethics is ongoing, and everyone has a role to play in shaping its direction. Shaping an ethical AI future is a collective responsibility. Developers, policymakers, businesses, and everyday users all have a part to play. By working together, we can ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in ways that reflect our shared values and benefit society as a whole. At its core, AI ethics is about aligning technology with human values. This means ensuring that AI systems respect dignity, fairness, and justice. By centering our values in the development process, we can create AI that truly serves humanity. Healthcare is one of the most promising fields for AI, but it also raises unique ethical questions. From patient privacy to algorithmic bias in diagnoses, ensuring ethical AI in healthcare is critical for patient safety and trust. Transparent and fair AI can improve outcomes for everyone. AI is increasingly used in criminal justice, from predictive policing to sentencing recommendations. However, these systems can perpetuate existing biases and raise concerns about fairness and due process. Ethical oversight is essential to prevent harm and ensure justice for all. In education, AI can personalize learning and improve outcomes, but it also raises questions about data privacy and equal access. Ensuring that AI supports all students fairly is a key ethical challenge. Thoughtful design and oversight can help maximize benefits while minimizing risks. Financial institutions use AI for everything from credit scoring to fraud detection. While these tools can increase efficiency, they can also introduce new risks such as biased lending or lack of transparency. Ethical AI in finance requires careful monitoring and clear accountability. AI algorithms shape the news and information we see online, influencing public opinion and even elections. The ethical challenge is to ensure that these systems promote accurate information and avoid amplifying misinformation or bias. Media literacy and transparency are more important than ever. Social media platforms rely heavily on AI to curate content and moderate discussions. While this can enhance user experience, it also raises concerns about censorship, echo chambers, and the spread of harmful content. Ethical AI must balance freedom of expression with the need to protect users. AI can help address environmental challenges, from climate modeling to resource management. However, the energy required to train large AI models can also contribute to environmental harm. Balancing innovation with sustainability is an important ethical consideration. AI is increasingly present in our personal lives, from virtual assistants to dating apps. These technologies can enhance relationships but also raise questions about authenticity and emotional well-being. Ethical AI should support genuine human connection, not replace it. AI is now capable of creating art, music, and literature. While this opens up exciting possibilities, it also challenges our understanding of creativity and authorship. Who owns AI-generated works, and how do we value human creativity in an age of intelligent machines? AI is a powerful tool for enhancing security, from detecting cyber threats to monitoring physical spaces. However, these same technologies can be misused for surveillance or cyberattacks. Ensuring ethical use of AI in security is essential to protect both safety and civil liberties. AI has the potential to make the world more accessible for people with disabilities through tools like speech recognition and automated captioning. Ethical AI should prioritize inclusivity and ensure that everyone can benefit from technological advances. Children are increasingly interacting with AI, from educational apps to smart toys. Protecting their privacy, safety, and well-being is a top ethical priority. Developers must consider the unique needs and vulnerabilities of young users when designing AI systems. AI has the power to influence democratic processes, from targeted political ads to automated fact-checking. Ensuring that AI supports rather than undermines democracy is a key ethical challenge. Transparency and accountability are essential for maintaining public trust in democratic institutions. AI has the potential to both reduce and exacerbate global inequalities. Access to AI technologies is uneven, and without careful planning, the benefits of AI may be concentrated in a few hands. Ethical AI must strive for inclusivity and equitable access worldwide. Protecting human rights is at the heart of AI ethics. From freedom of expression to the right to privacy, AI systems must be designed and used in ways that uphold fundamental rights. Ongoing vigilance and advocacy are needed to ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The decisions we make about AI today will shape the world for future generations. Ethical stewardship means considering the long-term impacts of technology and acting with responsibility toward those who come after us. Our legacy will be defined by the choices we make now. Some experts warn that advanced AI could pose existential risks to humanity if not properly controlled. While these scenarios may seem distant, they highlight the importance of proactive ethical thinking and robust safeguards. Preparing for the unexpected is part of responsible AI development. AI systems are often trained on data from specific cultures, which can lead to misunderstandings or biases when used globally. Respecting cultural diversity and ensuring that AI systems are adaptable to different contexts is an important ethical consideration. AI is beginning to recognize and respond to human emotions, but true emotional intelligence remains a challenge. Ethical AI should be sensitive to emotional cues and avoid manipulating users' feelings. Building emotionally aware AI can enhance user experience while respecting human dignity. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it can influence our sense of identity and self. From personalized recommendations to digital avatars, AI shapes how we see ourselves and interact with the world. Ethical AI should empower individuals, not define them. As AI makes more decisions that affect our lives, the right to an explanation becomes increasingly important. People deserve to know how and why a decision was made, especially when it has significant consequences. Ensuring explainability is a key part of ethical AI. As we've seen, the ethical challenges of artificial intelligence are complex and far-reaching. But by working together, staying informed, and prioritizing our shared values, we can shape a future where AI serves the common good. The conversation is just beginning, and our choices today will determine the legacy of AI for generations to come.